Good morning, guys. Today we shall see more about how to download and install JDK 19. First of all, we have to jump to the Oracle sites. So here I'm at the Oracle sites and look for your appropriate installer, which may be compatible with the Linux or maybe Mac OS or maybe Windows. So presently I'm running with the Windows. So here I'm looking for the Windows appropriate versions. Now my OS is 64-bit. So I need to download and install 64-bit JDK. So if you are 32 bits, you can go with the 32 bits also, but presently 32 bit is not available with this. So I'm clicking on this link. Click on 192 bits. It will download. It will download and go to the folder. So you'll find this file. So just open the file. Once you click on open, just and allow this app to make changes in the device into the C drive. It will start extracting all the files. So hit the next button. So your JDK will install to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 19. Hit the next. It will start extracting all the files and copying all the files. Wait till then it has to finish all the files. Then you have successfully installed. If you want to look at the more documentations, the next step, it will jump to the docs.oracle. You can see all the docs. Okay. Once after installation, so here you can see all the docs, overview about your doc, JDK, installation guides and all this stuff. These are the tools, Java doc guide. Just click on Java doc guide. So this is Java doc guide. It has all the documents. It has all the documents. You can go to next page, back page. I'm going back. Language and libraries. Go to the. If you wish to know more about the libraries, core libraries, hit on the core libraries. So you'll find all the libraries where you can work with respect to Java API, processes, XML, deprecation API, serialization filtering, threads, and all this stuff. Java networking. If you are looking for the Java networking, Java, you need to work with the Java.NET package, HTTP, and all the stuff. Java core libraries, serialization filtering. We'll find all the serialization libraries here. What package need to work, which class, which object, which method. So these are the APIs which are available. Okay. Then maybe APIs, XML. You can work with the XML APIs. Java.xml package you'll find. So I successfully installed my JDK. Now let me go to my shell prompt or maybe command prompt anywhere where my Java is installed. So Java hyper version. So you'll find the JDK 19 is installed. So this is JDK 19 is successfully installed on machines. So and hence you need not to check. You need not to go with the path and class path setting. Simply I'm going to the path and class path. So if you wish to check the path and class path where it is installed, go to the properties, onto the properties and advanced settings, environment variables. We'll find the path, and you'll find the in the path you'll find your. But look for the where the Java path is installed. You can see the Java path is here in the under Oracle. Not in Oracle, it's predefined, but not. I'm not looking for the Oracle. Let me look for the path. Here the Java path is not added. Let me check the path. Path anywhere class path is there. Or Java home is not added. Fine. Then also it runs perfectly. Fine. That's about to JDK. Or if you wish to see any normal program or Java program, hello program, simply you can test here or test app. Test app. Let me make this class as a public and save this test app on somewhere anywhere. Control S. I'm saving into somewhere called into my E drive. I'm saving here test app. I saved extension as .java. Just hit the save and go to Windows R command and E drive. I jump into the just look at directory. You'll find the test app here. I'm compiling Java C test app.java Java test app. So you can see here hello world means your JDK is successfully installed and you are set the path. Already path has been already set by default. So that's up in this tutorial. We shall see next tutorial in the next class. Thank you.